Afghanistan's president wants the U.S. to back off in its efforts against the Taliban. Reporter Connor Powell is in Kabul with the diplomatic fallout.
In what is becoming a regular occurrence, Afghan President Hamid Karzai once again lashed out at the current U.S. strategy in Afghanistan, telling the Washington Post that the time has come for the U.S. to reduce military operations in Afghanistan. He also complained that American troops need to be less intrusive in the lives of ordinary Afghans. Karzai's comments have angered the top American commander in Afghanistan, General David Petraeus, and stunned other senior U.S. officials.
Some of the things he objected to are things which are being done at this time necessarily to support his government. And I think that that has to be understood.
Karzai is also insisting U.S. troops end night raids on the homes of suspected Taliban insurgents. The raids are deeply unpopular in Afghanistan, but militarily effective.
We believe that the use of intelligence-driven, precision-targeted operations against high-value insurgents and their networks is a key component of our comprehensive civilian military operations. And these operations are conducted in full partnership with the government of Afghanistan.
General Petraeus is said to have expressed astonishment and disappointment with Karzai's critical words, adding that they undermine the war effort. A spokesman for Karzai said today the president was not criticizing the current U.S. policy in Afghanistan, but the surge strategy designed by General Petraeus specifically calls for U.S. troops to be visible and out among the Afghan people. The current crisis comes as General Petraeus is trying to convince skeptical Americans in the White House that the surge is working and should be given more time to succeed. On Friday, President Obama and other NATO leaders will gather in Portugal to discuss handing security responsibility to the Afghan security forces next summer. But the bigger question going forward for President Obama and General Petraeus is, do they have a credible partner in Afghan President Hamid Karzai to handle the transition? In Kabul, Connor Powell, Fox News.